Ang tatlo pong ito ay may kanya-kanyang kapangyarihan. Bawal mag-overlap, bawal saklawan, and by legal term that I used during the interpolation, bawal mag-encroach.
Hindi masyadong maalam sa batas. Maaari niyo po ba ipaliwanag ang separation of powers?
Okay. Separation of powers is one of the fundamental principle of the Philippine government, no? That is basic in a democratic system of government. By principle of separation of power, mayroon pong three important branches ang ating gobyerno. One is the legislative, second is the executive, the third is the judiciary. Ang tatlo pong ito ay may kanya-kanyang kapangyarihan. Bawal mag-overlap, bawal saklawan, and by legal term that I used during the interpolation, bawal mag-encroach sa hindi mo naman kapangyarihan. Okay? To the legislative belongs the power to make laws. Tayo po ang gumagawa ng batas. That is the Senate and the House of Representatives, the upper house and the lower house, because we are bicameral. Okay? To the executive is the power to implement the law. Pag nagawa na yung batas ng Congress, Presidente, Cabinet Secretary, Executive Offices, Mayors, Governors, ipatupad nyo po ito. Okay? And then to the judiciary, the moment nagkaroon ng issue, controversy, they will be the one to interpret the law. Okay? So, bakit ko po ito in-erase during the last interpellation? Because in my personal appreciation, EO 13, which provided for online gambling, is an act of legislation. Because that is something which is not provided yet in the statutory law which created PAGCOR. Kung gusto mong gumawa ng batas about gambling, online gambling, you should have told the Congress. Because that power belongs to the Congress. But what happened, they did not refer to the Congress. Instead, they issued EO 13, a presidential issuance, an act of the executive. And that is why I said, did you legislate? Did you encroach upon the power of the Congress? Because this is something which is not provided in the legislative act of the Congress. No? And it is really my personal appreciation. Because I cannot speak for the others. But there are lawyers, there are justices who were calling me and conforming to my position about the argument of principle of separation of powers. It is really my appreciation, it is really my humble opinion that when they issued EO 13, they crossed the lines. They encroached upon the powers of the Congress. Something na dapat ibinigay nila sa Kongreso para Kongreso ang nagpasa ng batas about online gambling. I hope I was able to explain it well in a level that the Filipino people will understand, no? Kasi ako'y guro pa. That is always the challenge, no? You know the principle, you know the law, that is one thing. How you communicate it is another thing. So, the parameter which will measure if you were able to explain it well is to ask the people, naintindihan niyo po ba yung sinabi ko? I hope you did.